Right now we are here in Arca Main Street and papakita ko sa inyo ngayon yung Nara building. So yun yung other building na nakikita nyo doon, if you can see where I'm pointing at. Yan yung building na may views ka ng mismong whole estate. And itong park mismo na to. So yung fifth building, which is itatayo siya dito right in front of us, low rise lang talaga siya, 8th floor lang siya, much higher pa din yung Nara. So if kukuha ka ng much higher floor, mas maganda yung views mo, unobstructed, mas mataas, mas makikita mo yung buong beauty ng estate. And meron tayong mga 2-bedroom facing the courtyard amenities itself. Makikita din natin yan sa virtual tour na which I can send you. Ang ganda din ng views niya, especially at night. Andun yung once open yung lights and the pool, kita nyo yung ganda ng garden. Sobrang ganda niya. So ayan, dito siya, dito yung part na to. Ayan. Meron tayo dyan 2-bedroom courtyard and 3-bedroom courtyard.